All right, good afternoon. YouTube, here we go with a kind of a rundown on this rocket stove, if I can back up big enough. There it is, fully assembled. It looks a little bit different. The last can is over there. The bottom is taken out, like I said. The thimble is right there. It'll be underneath here when it's all done. I'm just test fitting it all. There'll be 150 foot. There's one more box upstairs, but there will be 150 foot of coil in here. I would love to have done it in stainless steel, but I have no way to mandrel to bend the stainless steel coil and to try to get it to these tolerances. It's just too small. So copper would be the only way to really do this one. I have another set of these tanks to where I can make it a little bit bigger, and then I believe I will make it a stainless steel coil in there and run it in single. It should be able to make low temperature steam with no problem. 450 degrees ish, you know. I mean, that would be not even a benchmark for it. But to run them in parallel is what I'm going to do with these copper coils to keep the temperature, you know, reasonable, 180 to 220. And it'll be an open system. But just wanting to bump you up on it and tell you where we're at. Ground finished up the grate, like I said, the ash pan, the little bolts here keep it centered, the tanks, the inside tank from the outside tank. It's air insulated right now, but I'm going to backfill it with, if I can get this right, calcium silicate on the lower section. It's a low temperature concrete mix, like conventional concrete, calcium silicate. And then from about here and above is I'll go over with calcium aluminate, and it'll pick up the higher temperature up through the thimble, especially the thimble will all be calcium aluminate. And but with perlite, I screwed this up again. That hydrated, not hydraulic, hydrated lime. But it'll be the hydrated lime in the perlite with the calcium aluminate on the top section where the high heat is, and calcium silicate on the bottom section. And the only reason is because I'm cheap and I can't afford any more. The thimble alone is going to be about $450 to fill that. That stuff is incredibly high, is what it comes down to. So we got to limit the use of the most expensive materials. So, all right, y'all, just to bump up on this project, and hope y'all enjoy it. And I do enjoy y'all watching this junk more than you know. All right, talk to you then. Biggest day.